Emerson, yeah, let's read it. Emerson Point, that's what it says. It says Emerson Point, that's where we're going. We're having a mental health day. You all know Lo.
The Muppet.
Lo's part being played by Lo. And Liz.
And Clancy will be played by Montana today. Montana will be played by Clancy.
He's got his face out the window, look at that. And then the Clancerosaurus is got his ears flapping in the wind over there. Bat dog. For those of you that are wondering why Montana is wearing a muzzle when he seems like he's so good with people, it's because he has dog aggression.
He has fear-based dog aggression.
Yeah.
So he's so afraid of other dogs, no matter what size. He just always assumes that they're attacking him. He can't like read them socially, he doesn't understand. So he just always like feels like he's going to be attacked, and so he'll attack first.
He also has food aggression? Clancy's the one with food aggression.
It was like, I saw it hit the ground, and then it looked like it was going to hit Liz in the face. She was in your seat, and I was like so scared.
You can park here.
And it just like, I don't know, it didn't hit the glass. I don't know where it went. It was just gone. Like, it didn't hit the car again, but it really looked like it was going to hit her right in the face. It was like divine intervention.
It was like spinning and coming straight.
Oh yeah, like it spun. It flung off the truck, and then it like spun. It looked like it was coming right through the window, and it was just gone.
Really?
And I have really good eyesight. Like I could see it the entire time, and I don't know where it went. I swear, like some angel slapped it out of the sky.
Remember this at all, Liz?
I was sleeping.
You were asleep.
Yeah, she had no idea, and I was like, like my breath stopped. Like
she was like, "Oh, by the way, you almost died yesterday." I was like, "What?"
Wow, somebody out there wants to keep you guys alive. It's like, I want to crawl right out the back window.
Wait, no, wait, where'd you go? Yeah.
I didn't know this was a boardwalk trail. This is awesome. And this is like 15 minutes from the fairgrounds.
We tried 2 last time.
It had a little boardwalk, but it was a clear path.
Oh, I talked to him about it last night. Yeah, I talked to him about it. I said, is it okay if I call him and get a spot? And he's like, yeah, you've done it before. He said, go ahead. He doesn't really want to do it. He might change his mind when he finds out it's only $250 to get a spot. Look at this tree.
Well, maybe next year we can team up and put like a couple booths.
Well, no, it's definitely not the kind of fair that has enough customers for 2 booths. Definitely not. Right here, we've got vultures just kind of hanging out in a dead tree. Why do they prefer the dead tree? Is it just because they're vultures? You got all these nice green trees all around them. They want the dead tree. Right on, sit in the dead tree. They look cool up there, though. I think it's a safe level off the ground. Let's hope so. This is was put in place so ospreys would have a place to build a nest, and it looks like one actually has. We heard it a minute ago. I'm really hoping I can get a shot of it at some point. Oh, yeah, that's it. It just turned its head. It is. It's up there. It's actually up there. That's what that lump is, right on the very top. Oh, so cool. Wow. Yeah, it's looking at us. Turned its head. We're going to up the stakes by trying something a little higher off the ground. This here. Shot.
Everybody! Don't follow my dog.
Yeah, this hand is not steadying me on the other branch at all. That's happening. Good grief, when am I gonna learn? I'm not a teenager anymore. Okay, I'm coming back down. Okay, it had to be done. I'm sorry, it had to be done.
It had to be done.
Little trail going out to the lake there. We'll see how close we can get before our feet start getting swampy. We'll get fiddler crabs or something probably. Yeah, we got the marsh grass going on here. Going down into it. Yeah, I'm not going any further. I'm not wearing my gator boots right now. Oh, I spooked the ducks there. We don't trust you. Look at all the size of the... Is that cattails? Those are some tall cattails.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, there we go. You got this. I think this barricade's made for bird watching. But it gives you a really nice view of that lake. We were just standing over here on this side. But there's a lot of marsh grass here. I'm sure you could observe a lot from this little bench at the right times of day or year. I don't know what this stuff is, but it's thick and it's yellow and it's all twisty. Look at that design. It's all twisty. It's just very pretty. You say this is, oh, a bee hotel. Specially made for, is it for carpenter bees? I think it's for carpenter bees. They give them a place to bore in. Oh, here's some descriptions down here. Native bees prefer to live alone. We've built this bee hotel so each bee can have their own room. That's got to be a pretty big bee right there.
Yeah. So if we ever had to like drag him.
What is the story behind these burns? Was it a controlled burn? Did they actually have a wildfire that broke out here?
Do you want to know how I got these scars?
You want to know? There's more burns over here. I'm saying probably controlled burn. That's what I'm guessing. Because this is in the middle of a park, and it looks like the burns are there, but not bad enough to kill the tree. Just to kind of take the undergrowth out. So I'm thinking probably controlled burn. Whoa, you don't have to duck, do you? These tree branches want to brain you. Would hate to cut it though, those are very pretty. I keep saying pretty. Yeah, they should have, people watching this should have a contest. How many times does he say pretty? Every time I say pretty, take a shot of espresso and see if you can actually hold your arms still at the end of the video. Went back to the car for a minute and then made the short trip out to beach. Not really a swimming beach or swimming weather, honestly.
Nope, he's alive.
He is alive. Could you toss it?
Too cold.
Is it possible to toss it far enough out?
I'm gonna walk him out. I don't want to.
It has gotten cold, but that one is green. Is it green? Oh yeah, he's very much alive.
Yeah, he's green.
Never seen a green one. Didn't we find a purple one?
Yeah, we saw a purple one.
They come in a bunch of different colors, apparently.
Mwah!
He's a little slug head there. Boop.
He's so adorable.
Strong right now. This way.
Swim away. Oh, whoa, that is cool. Oh, wow. Green sea hares. Too cold to move. Hopefully they'll be alive when the water warms up and they can move along. What have you got there? You found a coconut? I am not gonna break this one open.
Come on, it looks fresh. This one doesn't look crazy like the other one.
It's light though. I don't think it's got it. I think it's got a leak because it's so light.
Not hearing anything.
Yeah, I don't think. Where is there a coconut tree?
Out there in the
Woo! Be free!